Timmy is she's young. She just wants to have fun. She's very indecisive, but she's decisive. She'll come to you and ask you white or black, but she knows she wants to wear white. And she'll make you talk about the black till she's had enough entertainment, and she'll pick the white. That's who Temi is. She likes Barry, and that's why I say she's young, she wants to have fun. Today she'll tell you, oh, I don't really like Barry, I'm not interested. Tomorrow she'll tell you, oh, Barry hasn't spoken to me all day. Like, if you don't like the person, you won't be you wouldn't give a rat tat whether they talk to you or not. Do you understand what I mean?
I feel like it was more...
So she's looking for attention.
Yeah.
And she likes attention. I feel like that's one of the reasons why she's also, oh, no, because I'm giving her attention. That's why she'll come here and knock and say, oh, how will our friendship work like this? Because she's looking for somebody to talk to. Do you understand? And everybody else is trying to play their game and, do their own thing and not really send her like that. That's why she feels the need to be loud and do things for attention. Do you understand what I mean? And also hope that what she's giving is being reciprocated. But
Goddessa, you said you know Goddessa.
yeah, I figured her out.
What's about Goddessa? What did you figure out?
I would say she's somebody who tells you what
you want to know.
Hear. She's playing all sides, all fields, any win away. That's Goddessa. And she's somebody who is, trying to be on everybody's good side. But then talk shit about you behind your back. To whoever she thinks wants to listen to.